better days are ahead of us. I am confident of that.
And those better days in transport and mining are being facilitated by the flow of $10.6 billion. This includes $338.68 million that the ministry expects to earn. $660.48 million is being used to support the overall operations of the ministry.
This is the sector that drives the economy. This is the sector that is driving us into the prosperity we deserve as a nation and as a people.
The transport sector is driving into the new financial year with $5.6 billion for the management of road transportation. This includes $369 million for the Island Traffic Authority's operating expenses, as well as $20 million in subsidy to the National Road Safety Council. The Road Safety Unit is also getting $33.3 million to fulfill its mandate of reducing road traffic casualties. The majority of the road transport allocation, $5.19 billion, will provide a subsidy to offset the operating expenses of the JUTC. $56.26 million to support the operating expenses of the toll road.
Jamaica, particularly Montego Bay, is not just a tourist destination, but also a very important venue for matters of the sea. As you may recall, the city has significance in the regulation of international maritime transport, being the place where the United Nations Law of the Sea Convention was signed in 1982.
$385.56 million will go towards shipping, ports, and lighthouses. This is primarily to support the Maritime Authority of Jamaica's work in the development of shipping and regulating matters relating to merchant shipping and seafarers.
The critical role of the aviation sector to tourism and the service sectors has made clear the need for modernization and development of our airports.
So $3.65 billion is budgeted for the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority.
We want to assure persons in the mining industry that mining's better days are ahead.
Under the minister's watchful eyes, this year $222.5 million will be spent on the mining sector. This includes $52.3 million for the inspection of mines and quarries, along with $4.76 million for quarry zoning services. The ministry will also continue its metallic and non-metallic minerals exploration, with over $19 million budgeted for this. $500,000 from the Consolidated Fund is budgeted to execute the Trifold National Transport Repository Project. This comprises the Transport Statistic Database, Transport Research Databank, and the Geographic Information System Database. Work on the repository is to begin in April 2019 and conclude in March 2021 for a total cost of approximately $1.7 million.
What we must watch is our duty, and our duty is to serve the people of Jamaica.
The Ministry of Transport and Mining is driving ahead this financial year with firmly planned ideas.